Control number 42096, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Rosemary Felicia. I am 32 years old. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am second to the youngest to the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate in Caloocangan National High School, Caloocangan, Magallanes, Cavite.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To earn money for my family and to save for my future.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Not yet, but I have 2 years experience in Manila in house helper.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
I have not experienced taking care of older people, but I'm willing to taking care of them.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
I have experience taking care of children.
What can you do for children?
I can give them bath, make them food, and play with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can cook and garden.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook chop suey, steamed fish, and vegetables, and also Italian food like spaghetti and carbonara.
Describe yourself as a housemate.
I am responsible and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Say sorry to them if I do mistakes.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
My previous employee treat me as family.
Message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Mom and Sir, if you will accept me or select me as your domestic helper, I will do my best to do good and do as a responsible woman, and I will finish 2 years contract or more. Thank you.